Hey friends, it's Amy with Whole Self Unity. Hope you're doing well. We've got a non-toxic self-care recipe for you. This one is about opening your hands. Pause to read if you need to. All you need is your hands and time to take a few breaths. First thing you're going to do is make your hand into a fist. Close that fist up tight. Take 3 breaths. Really push your fingers together and imagine what it would be like if you could never open your hand again. And as you breathe, simply let it go, and now let's open our hand and try it that way. When you've done both directions, I want you to open and close your hands and breathe and contemplate how that flexibility makes all the difference between health and struggle. Connect with us at Whole Self Unity. We'll see you soon.